Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo A17 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find system settings. Now let's tap on language and region. And as you can see right here, we've got the section which is connected with the language. Currently, we've got the English one set, and this one is a default language. So let's simply tap on Add a language, and here we've been transferred to the list of languages from which we can choose. So basically, all you have to do in order to change the language is to simply find it and tap on it. So let me pick French. Your device will ask you if you want to set the French, of course, in my case, as a default system language. So just tap on yes. And as you can see, the French language appeared at the top of this list, and within a second the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got two different languages added, so just like in my case English and French, and you'd like to switch between them, you don't have to enter the list of languages. Just tap on the English, hold it, and as you can see right now you can drag it. So let's move it to the first position, because on the first position is always a default language. Your device is asking you if you want to change the language to the chosen one, so just tap on it. And as you can see, right now we've got English set. If you'd like to remove the language from this list, just tap on three dots icon in the right upper corner. Wait a second, and tap on Edit. Now you can mark the language and simply tap on Delete. And after getting back, you can see that we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Oppo A17. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.